That is cold. I don't think I've showed you guys the build or the finish touches for this cabinet. I put in dividers. That way when I'm driving around, my seasonings and all that stuff won't be shaking vigorously and violently, causing me a massive headache while I drive. So, add dividers. They're awesome. Keeping everything nice, secure. It's really not noisy at all. So I really like how that turned out. Oh, that feels so good. I went and opened up the cabinet, and that's actually where the diesel heater blows in the hot air. So I opened that up, and a bunch of hot air just came out and punched me right in the face. Almost caught a charge. The cabinet almost caught a charge. Violence. So my first week's been pretty good. It's nice not spending any money on rent. It is a little tiring having to be so secretive in the city, living out of my truck. I mean, it's not a huge deal, it's just kind of new. I haven't really done this before in the middle of the city, so it makes things a little bit difficult. Trying to find a quiet spot, a safe spot, and that can be kind of a hassle. I've been lucky though, I know Salt Lake pretty well, so I'm able to camp in some pretty nice areas that people don't really go to. Like right now, this is kind of a drive, maybe 15 minutes from work, but well, more like 25 actually. 25 minutes to work. And I get this whole mountainside to myself. So that's way better than being in the city where there's cars running all night long, where there's people up to no good out there robbing, stealing. Hide your kids, hide your wife. They out there. Let's see how this blizzard's doing. It's been a couple hours since I filmed last. It is still roaring. The wind changed direction, so it's not blowing right into the truck anymore, but yeah, it's still going pretty hard. Man, see if I can get a good. Oh, it's snowing in here pretty. Man, that wind just coming right in. Whew. Okay, alright. Oh, alright. Oh, man. That was crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. I hope I got some good footage of that, because it's crazy out there. Oh, maybe it's not crazy. Looks like it died out. Look at that view, though. Got a whole bunch of snow on the ground. Oh no, it froze to the window. I put the wrong side up. That's okay. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, though. Turn the heater up a little bit since we have this window open. Hopefully I brought enough diesel to last me through the night. I didn't fill it all the way up. Just put a little bit in there, but I think we'll be alright. Above the city and above the chaos. I'm going to catch some sleep. I got work in the morning. I got to drive down this mountain first thing. But I'm glad I got a nice shot of this and the evening wasn't still blizzardy and was able to get a clear shot of the city. But this is what I get to enjoy tonight, this scenery. Catch you guys in the morning. Oh. It's a little cold this morning. It's a little cold this morning. I had to turn the I had to turn the diesel heater up. But let's see what our view's looking like, shall we? A little covered by the frost. Leave that down so the diesel heater can melt all of that. Let's see, this window wasn't covered up. There's our view this morning. Not too shabby. Alright, well, it's nice and early. Gonna pack up here pretty soon and get back down this mountain. On my way down the mountain. Roads are pretty gnarly up here on this mountainside. Got ourselves a little bandy up here.
Go on with your bad self, girl. Go on.